Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Fun. In this episode, we continue our endeavor to make our home a warm and inviting place for the winter. We have decided that we need more plants. Plants. Lots and lots of plants. We have plants everywhere. Every surface of our house is covered in plants. We actually have created surfaces just for more plants in our house. In this episode, we are finding more places for plants. I got the idea for this build, where a lot of ideas for builds come from Pinterest. I was scrolling through looking for cozy, cottagecore, boho style builds that we could do, and I saw something that really caught my eye, which is a ladder plant hanger that you hang from the ceiling. And then you can put plants hanging from the ladder. Ladder hanging from the roof, plants hanging from the ladder. Yeah. All right, so to make our ladder, I have marked out every foot where I'm gonna put each of the cross rungs. Now there is a little bit of a warp to these boards, so I have taped them together as tightly as I possibly can so that the cross beams will match up as best as possible. So what I've done here is I've set up a stop block along the back of my drill press so that as I move this piece down to each of the spots that I want to drill my cross beams on, the board will be set up in the exact right spot so I don't have to mess with it as I move down. So what I've done here is I've set up my fence, which I've secured down to my table with a clamp, and a secondary fence right here also secured down. And the distance between this spot right here on my fence and this fence is 11.5 inches where I'm gonna make my cut for each board. most times. Like, what time is it right now? Like, the sun is about to go down. It is 4:12 in the afternoon. This is unacceptable. So one way we have decided to combat the seasonal affective disorder. No, seasonal ineffective disorder. Seasonal ineffective disorder. Winter is here. It's cold. It's dark. Bleh. I think that's it. I think they're coming for us. Oh my God. That's the stuff right there. Oh yeah. North American pine. Our endeavor to make in this episode we continue to cottagecore, boho, warm, fuzzy, inviting. I think their muffler's loose. I guess I don't need to tell you all this. You're gonna watch it or you won't. But check it out!